Hey folks, 828 Find Adventure. I got a new mod for the 6th gen 4runner. It is a resonator delete. I bought this from 6th Element. It is a stainless steel pipe that basically gives you kind of an axle dump like the one I put on the Tacoma. You can watch that video also. It increases the noise just a little bit, but nothing you hear while you're driving. Unless your window's open, you might hear it a little bit through a parking lot going slow, but once you pick up your speed, you don't hear it at all. Really nice, made of stainless. Bolts on really easy. The only tool you will need is one of these. This gets that little rubber muffler hanger off. Real easy, you just spray some WD-40 up there and pops right off. Goes on is just as easy. And that's what you'll need, and then some sockets to fit, and you'll be good to go. So let me show you this. Of course, it comes very well packed. Comes with a couple of stainless bolts, which is really nice. Let me show you those. See those? Those are really nice. So this is what we got. This is it. Right here. Look at this. Really great quality. Check it out. Check out the nice welds. It's really nice. So, I figured today's a little breezy and cool, meaning it's not 90, it's more than 80 something. And I thought I'd just pop this on real quick. I think I am gonna need a jack to jack up the driver's side a little bit, but that's pretty much it. So let's get to it. This stuff works the best. EcoSmart mosquito fogger, I get it off Amazon. Works great. Always wear your eye protection. Got all my tools. Good thing about this mod is it's very lightweight. Okay, now we got that unbolted. Let's do the next step, which is the muffler hangers. So you have this muffler hanger in the front, and you can see the one in the back right there. Both of those need to come off. See if I can position this camera so you can watch how I do that. This tool makes it really easy. Gotta wiggle this out of there. Look at that. You can see where the muffler bolts on back there, and look at all that room. I'm gonna leave the muffler hangers on here. They're not going anywhere, and you know? You don't want to lose them, so I'm just going to leave them on. I did the same on the Tacoma. So what I'm going to do this is I'm just going to snake it over, just like that. And then I've got to sure does look pretty. Let's hear how this thing sounds without that resonator. And look how much room you got here. You got like 4 inches from the muffler tip to the tire. It's at least 4 to 5 inches. So it looks closer on here, but it's about 4 to 5 inches on your car. Sounds a little peppier. There we go, warmed up. So on cold start for about 30 seconds, it's gonna sound a little louder. I wouldn't say ricey, but it's gonna sound a little louder. But I think that's good. I like it. And when you're motoring around a parking lot, you'll hear a little bit of rumble. Okay, folks, I hope you like my little install video of the 6th element. Guess it's an axle dump on this one as well, as just like it is on the Tacoma exhaust system. It is basically a resonator delete. They do on a lot of little vehicles like the GTIs and stuff. It's a little louder. You don't really notice it when you're driving, but I will tell you it is a more of a rumble note to it, and it does well driving around. I like it. If you really want some noise and you want to kind of customize your exhaust, a muffler delete, leave the resonator, cut the muffler out, leaving some room on each end in case you want to reinstall it, and just replace it with a pipe. That will make your vehicle louder. I did that on the GTI, sounds great. And I really don't get any drone out of it on the highway, out of the GTI. With the 4runner, as is, with the 6 element resonator delete, you don't get any drone, but it does have a nice, it's a little louder. I like it better, and I think Toyota should have done that. These big resonators at the end, I don't understand what they're doing. You know, I saw that, even the Tundra comes with one in the very back. So I don't really understand that, but you know, maybe people are complaining too much, or maybe it helps with heat. I'm not sure. Anyhow, it's an easy install, couple of bolts. I don't know if you noticed, I didn't show it, but I did put anti-seize on the bolts before I tightened up the new piece. I think they're stainless bolts, and they were a little hard going in. This anti-seize helps, and and it'll also make them easy if I want to swap it out, so they won't rust together. So anyways, that's what I got. If you would, There's the Tacoma. It's got that axle dump as well. So if you would like, share, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And you know, doing that motivates me, and it also puts my videos, when I make new videos, they'll pop up on your YouTube screen. If you're logged in, you have to be logged in using your Gmail into YouTube for it to remember things. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. More mods are coming. See ya.